Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no delivery available error at checkout on Shopify. This issue can be quite frustrating, especially if you're receiving numerous messages from customers who cannot complete their purchases. Missing out on orders is not ideal, so let's dive into the solutions. First, let's address some common mistakes. Always double-check the product size and weight. If these details are incorrect, customers might see the no delivery available message because the shipping service cannot handle the product. Ensure that the product dimensions and weight are within acceptable limits. Next, head over to your Shopify admin. Click on Settings at the bottom left and then select Markets. If the affected customers are trying to purchase from an international market, you need to activate it. Click on International, then on Inactive, and change it to Active. This will enable customers from that market to complete their purchases. Don't forget to click on Save. If you're unable to activate the market, it might be because you haven't set up shipping rates for that region. Navigate to Shipping and Delivery, and under General, scroll down to find International. Click on Add Rate to set up a shipping fee. You can choose to add a flat rate, e.g. $10, or offer free shipping. Once the rates are configured, you can modify them as needed. Furthermore, ensure that your shipping profile is correctly set up. Go to Shipping and Delivery, click on your profile, and add the products experiencing issues. You can select specific products or all products as necessary. Define the shipping zones, such as Europe or North America, and click Done. Name the zone, add the rate, and save your changes. Once these steps are completed, check if the error persists. If you continue to encounter issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I reply to every single comment and will help you resolve the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.